How do you say good, better, best in Tagalog? Well, stick around and find out. Kumusta po kayo? In the last video, I have touched on the Tagalog root word sobra, which like most Tagalog root words has many uses. It is used to form verbs, it can be used as an adjective, and it is also a superlative. Superlative is a form of comparing traits of subject nouns and pronouns. In English, these traits are either adjectives or adverbs, and they are compared using what is called the degrees of comparison. These are the positive or negative degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. To illustrate, let's use the English verb friendly, aggressive, and good. The positive degree would be friendly, an adjective. Comparative degree would be more friendly or friendlier. Superlative degree would be most friendly or friendliest. Let's continue. Aggressively, an adverb. More aggressively, most aggressively. Good, an adjective. Better, best. You can reverse them like the positive degree, friendly, negative comparative degree, less friendly, and negative superlative degree, least friendly. Let's continue. Aggressively, less aggressively, least aggressively. Bad, worse, worst. In Tagalog, we have a similar system, though it's taught in expanded form. There is the positive degree, Lantay, comparative degree, Pahambing, and superlative degree, Pasukdol. One big difference is that the comparative degree is subgrouped into similar degree, Di-Magkatulad, and dissimilar degree, Di-Magkatulad, with the dissimilar degree further subgrouped into better, Palamang, and worse, Pasahol. Another difference with English is that in Tagalog, the degrees of comparison are mainly used for adjectives. Also, there are prefixes or words that come before the word used to convey the degree of comparison. For similar degree, we have the following prefixes: magkasing, sing, kasing, and magsing. They correspond to the English equally blank or as blank as. For better degree, we have mas, higit na, lalong, and di hamak, corresponding to the English more blank or blanker. For worse degree, we have di masyadong, di gaanong, and di gasinong, which correspond to the English not as blank as. And for the superlative degree, we have pinaka, ubod ng, tunay na, sobrang, saksakan ng, and hari ng, corresponding to the English most blank or blankest. For this lesson, I will only focus on the first layer, magkasing, mas, di masyadong, and pinaka, because those are the prefixes you will most likely hear more often. Some of the prefixes are more regional and not widely used across the Philippines. These prefixes are added to adjectives or root words as you can see in the table. We will use the Tagalog degrees of comparison in simple sentences. But before that, please make sure that you are subscribed if you're still not by hitting the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you'd be updated of new videos. Cool? In this video, I will focus on the positive, better, and superlative degrees since they are closer to the English method, which you might be more familiar with. I will discuss the others in the next video. So, tara, simulan na natin. Let's begin. Here are simple Tagalog sentences in the positive, better, and superlative degrees. Mabuti ito. This is good. Mas mabuti iyan. That is better. Pinaka mabuti iyon. That over there is best. From these examples, we now know that good, better, best is mabuti, mas mabuti, and pinakamabuti. But hold your horses. There's another Tagalog word for the English good, and that is magaling. Magaling. Magaling si Kylian Mbappe. Kylian Mbappe is good. Mas magaling si Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo is better. Pinakamagaling si Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi is best. So, good, better, best in Tagalog can also be magaling, mas magaling, and pinakamagaling. But wait, there's more. Good can also be translated to mabait. Mabait. Good-natured or nice. Mabait si Ginang San Felipe. Mrs. San Felipe is nice. Mas mabait si Ginang Benitez. Mrs. Benitez is nicer. Pinakamabait si Ginang Resurrection. Mrs. Resurrection is nicest. So, we also have mabait, mas mabait, pinakamabait. Let me just add an emphatic expression. Ang pinakamagaling ay si Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi is the best. Ang pinakamabait ay si Ginang Resurrection. Mrs. Resurrection is the nicest. Ayos ba? Let's have some more simple sample sentences. Maganda si Marie. Marie is beautiful. Or, Marie is pretty. Mas maganda si Ariana. Ariana is more beautiful. Or, Ariana is prettier. Pinakamaganda si Tess. Tess is most beautiful. Or, Tess is prettiest. Ang pinakamaganda ay si Tess. Tess is the most beautiful. Or, Tess is the prettiest. Matangkad si Angelo. Angelo is tall. Mas matangkad si Edwin. Edwin is taller. Pinakamatangkad si Anton. Anton is tallest. Ang pinakamatangkad ay si Anton. Anton is the tallest. Malaki ang bahay ko. My house is big. Remember our lesson on case markers? Bahay is a common noun. So the case marker is ang instead of si. Moving on. Mas malaki ang bahay mo. Your house is bigger. Pinakamalaki ang bahay niya. His or her house is biggest. Ang pinakamalaki ay ang bahay niya. His or her house is the biggest. Matalino ang estudyante ni June. June's student is intelligent. Or, June's student is smart. Mas matalino ang estudyante ni Ed. Ed's student is more intelligent. Or, Ed's student is smarter. Pinakamatalino ang estudyante ni Ernie. Ernie's student is most intelligent. Or, Ernie's student is smartest. Ang pinakamatalino ay ang estudyante ni Ernie. Ernie's student is the most intelligent. Or, Ernie's student is the smartest. Mayaman si Bill Gates. Bill Gates is rich. Mas mayaman si Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos is richer. Pinakamayaman si Elon Musk. Elon Musk is richest. Ang pinakamayaman ay si Elon Musk. Elon Musk is the richest. Malakas si Hulk. Hulk is strong. Mas malakas si Thor. Thor is stronger. Pinakamalakas si Superman. Superman is strongest. Ang pinakamalakas ay si Superman. Superman is the strongest. Matulin ang kotse ni Carlos Sainz. Carlos Sainz's car is fast. Matulin is commonly used for vehicles. There's another Tagalog word for fast as we will see later. Moving on. Mas matulin ang kotse ni Max Verstappen. Max Verstappen's car is faster. Pinakamatulin ang kotse ni Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton's car is fastest. Ang pinakamatulin ay ang kotse ni Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton's car is the fastest. If you're enjoying this video so far, please show it some love by clicking the like button because that will help this channel be recommended to more people, thus helping this channel grow. Alright? Now, moving on. Mabilis si Richard Thompson. Richard Thompson is fast. Mas mabilis si Christian Coleman. Christian Coleman is faster. Pinakamabilis si Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt is fastest. Ang pinakamabilis ay si Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt is the fastest. Pangit si Gollum. Gollum is ugly. As we have learned in our lessons on affixes, adjectives are formed by combining affixes with root words. That's why most adjectives begin with the prefix ma. The adjective pangit is an exception. It is a root word that also acts as an adjective. Moving on. Mas pangit si Jabba the Hutt. Jabba the Hutt is uglier. Pinakapangit si Freddy Krueger. Freddy Krueger is ugliest. Ang pinakapangit ay si Freddy Krueger. Freddy Krueger is the ugliest. Mabagal ang aso ni Marie. Marie's dog is slow. Mas mabagal ang aso ni Ariana. Ariana's dog is slower. Pinakamabagal ang aso ni Tess. Tess's dog is slowest. Ang pinakamabagal ay ang aso ni Tess. Tess's dog is the slowest. There you have it, just a few simple sentences that I hope will let you get started using the degrees of comparison in Tagalog. We will continue our discussion in the next video, focusing on the similar and worse degrees. Be sure to catch that. I will see you again soon. Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa susunod.